How to create an email signature in SENDGRID. So first, just navigate to the email API right here on the left side, then click on dynamic templates. And once you're here, you could either create a template or you could just simply open up one. So I'm just going to go with mine right here and go to the design editor. So not the code one, but here on the design. But of course, you can also go with code if you want, but it's easier right here if you use the design editor. Now, once you're here on the left side, navigate to the build panel right here and drag a text module from this tab into the main workspace right here, and just simply position it where you want your signature to appear. So it's typically at the bottom of the email body, but just to show you guys, I'm just going to put it right there. And after that, click on the newly placed text module right here in the main workspace and delete any placeholder text like this. And after that, you just simply need to type in the content of your email signature. So this can include your name, title, company, contact information, and any links or social media icons. So let's say I'm just going to type in name. Now, after you've input your information, you could use the text module style settings, which is right here on the left side, to customize the appearance of your signature. So you can adjust the line height, text color, text highlight color, background color, and also the padding, along with the text style, font, and the font size. You could also go with the other options right here, so you can make it bold, italic, or underlined. And you could also make a numbered list. You could insert a link. You could change the alignment. You could also add a bulleted list if you want. And if ever you want to reset the style, you just simply click on reset styles right here. Now, once you are satisfied with your email signature, you just simply need to click on save right here at the top and you're good to go. That is how you basically create an email signature in SENDGRID.